All right, man, I'm going to clear this up right now. Every guy that I've ever coached, we always get to the masculine frame discussion. How do I have frame? Dre, how do I cultivate this masculine energy and project it into the world? How do I hold frame? All those questions I am going to tell you right now, man. Get them out of your freaking head. Get every single one of those questions out of your head. Any man that is truly masculine in a positive, developmental way never thinks about that, ever. I never think about that when I'm in public, when I'm talking to people. Never, ever does that thought cross my mind. You know why? Because I've forced myself through years to put in the work to gain experience. This is the downfall of so many men. It's saddening, but it's motivational to me because I know what it's like to be in the beginning, to start from nothing and build into something. Now, a lot of men, they have the opportunity to build from a neutral place. And then there's men who are suffering from trauma. There are men that are suffering from just bullshit advice from the parents, their teachers, churches, schools, you name it, man. TV, media. And they're still living by this advice. They don't even know what it's doing to them, how it's keeping them stuck, how it's keeping them from actually going to another level. First and foremost, my friend, before we begin on this masculine frame journey, it's going to be short, it's going to be sweet. I'm going to give you the raw, real deal advice that you can now take on your journey, put into practice, and develop the frame and masculinity that you desire for all the benefits, all of the things that you want. Check out the masterclass in the description. It'll do you right, man. Learn to meditate. Learn to use the energy that you've cultivated through retention in a much more productive manner. Check it out, man. Let's get into this, dude. The only thing that you need to do to develop masculine frame, besides meditation helps greatly with your emotions, with your overall development to become that stoic man, that strong leader. That's what you want to do, and that's the path, man. It doesn't matter how many hours in the gym you put, it doesn't matter how well you eat. The basis of all masculinity that I have found through my journey comes from the metaphysical side of things. And this is what this video is all about, man. Experience. You must put those experiences under your belt. You have to. If you continue to go through life consuming content, never putting it into action, you are your best coach. There's only so much I or somebody else can do for you. In the end, it's up to you to let go of being a little baby where you need somebody to take you by the hand and show you the way. Step back from that bullshit little boy and become a better man. And learn to coach yourself. I've said this in other videos, man. It's so important. But on the topic of masculine frame, experience. You can learn how to be non-reactive. You can learn how to step away from your emotions. You can meditate and you can meditate and you can meditate. But if you never put it into action, you'll never know. And you'll never be able to grow past the person you were yesterday. I always say this, man. That's the only person you're competing with. If you have paid attention to any personal development advice ever, that's the one thing. You're only competing with you from yesterday. So if yesterday you consumed a bunch of content and then today you're not doing anything with that content and you're consuming more content, that roller coaster ride is going to get stagnant and stale and fall off and you will become stuck. And then, just like in the last video that I talked about this so much, man, I cannot stand it when guys, they want so much to develop themselves. They want to get better. They want these things, okay? They want more money. They want more women. They want all of the happiness. They want to be joyful, but they will not put in the work. and they make self-development a crutch, and it becomes this like codependent bullshit, like epic journey in their life of consuming the content, feeling like shit. I must consume more content. This is how I'll get better. No. Go out of your house. I know it's COVID time and all that shit, man. Go somewhere. Fucking go somewhere. Go outside, talk to people. Put yourself in fearful situations. Like, you can't be like, well, Dre told me to put myself in fearful situations. What would Dre fear, and what situation should I put in that? No. You know. You are your best coach, man. Get out there and get the experience. Then, oh my God, man. Once you put yourself in these situations, here's what's going to happen to you. You will fail. And this is good, because through failure, we learn. This is so key. When you go out and you talk to people, men, women, if you're trying to get a job, it doesn't matter what you're doing. You can then come back to that situation, not while you're in it, but later on, and you can examine it, find out where your hangups were, what happened that I can change. That's how you know. No content is going to tell you that, man. Nothing. You have to do something and then learn from the experience. And that's how the building blocks go into place and you build the better person. That is what I wanted to talk about today, man. That is how you truly build masculine frame. And in the world, dude, when you like put it together, like bricks on top of bricks on top of bricks, you are a fucking castle. Nobody can mess with you. It's epic. It is so crucial, though, that you just start putting in the work. It's not going to come to you like magic. Guaranteed. 100% guaranteed. If you want step-by-step how to meditate, how to cultivate that energy, check out the meditation course in the description, man. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video, my friend.